You're one recession away from getting fired, replaced by AI, or losing everything. But before you panic, what if I told you a 25-year internet marketing veteran is handing you a done-for-you business worth $249,000? Hey, it's Ava, and today we're pulling back the curtain on Millionaire, Whistleblower by Michael Cheney. This isn't some push-button nonsense. This is a battle-tested blueprint straight from a guy who's been in the trenches for decades, breaking the guru's code of silence. The online business game is rigged. The so-called gurus want you to stay stuck, struggling, and buying their stuff forever. When you join Millionaire Whistleblower, you get the exact $10 manual, a done-for-you $249K business, video training, audio courses, and written transcripts. Value nearly $3,000. Today, just $9.95. Michael's made millions by building real businesses, giving you the same tools the richest 0.5% use. People are seeing insane results. 78,767 in 90 days, $2,000 in 4 days, first 1K a day, tripled income overnight. If you're ready to stop acting rich and start being rich, click the link in the description for just $9.95 while it's still available. The gurus have been keeping these secrets for decades. Today, they're yours. Don't wait. This could be the easiest and smartest business move you make all year.